Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make short-form content using AI. AI streamlines content creation, saving significant time and effort for creators. It can help with initial ideation, generating diverse script options, and even basic editing tasks. By leveraging artificial intelligence, you can produce high-quality, engaging short videos more efficiently, reaching your audience effectively and consistently across various platforms. This approach makes content creation accessible and less time-consuming for everyone. AI significantly assists in the initial stages of content creation. You can use AI to find viral trends and then generate diverse script options, often in mere seconds. It crafts engaging openings and strong conclusions, ensuring your message resonates within a short time frame. This allows you to produce several unique content pieces from one core idea, maximizing your creative output and audience engagement. AI plays a crucial role in the production phase of your short-form content. It can generate natural-sounding voiceovers and select appropriate background music to enhance your videos. Furthermore, AI automatically adds accurate captions and even performs simple video edits, such as cuts and scene transitions. This streamlines the post-production workflow, saving hours of manual effort and ensuring a polished final product. Finally, AI helps get your content seen by the right audience. It can suggest optimal posting times and craft engaging descriptions and hashtags for various platforms. AI also analyzes audience engagement and performance data, providing valuable insights to continuously improve your short-form content strategy. This data-driven approach ensures your efforts are always optimized for maximum reach and impact, helping your content perform its best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.